Alright, kids. Let's make a bird today. We will start with the head of the bird. Begin by drawing a small curved shape at the top of your paper. This is going to be the bird's head. Birds have a variety of head shapes depending on the species. Some birds, like eagles, have larger heads, while smaller birds, like sparrows, have smaller ones. Let's keep it simple and for now. Now, let's add the front wing. Draw a curved line starting from the side of the bird's head and extending outward. The wing should be shaped like a long. Did you know that birds use their wings to fly and they have different types of wings depending on whether they fly long distances or stay in one place? For example, eagles have wide wings for soaring. Next up is the body. From the bottom of the head, draw a half circle, wider at the bottom, to form the body of your bird. The body is where all the important organs are, like the heart and lungs. Birds are warm-blooded creatures, meaning they can control their body temperature to stay warm no matter what the weather is like. Now, let's add the other wing. This one will be a little shorter than the front wing. Draw it just behind the body. Most birds use their hind wings for stability while they fly. Next, we're going to draw the bird's beak. Depending on what type of bird you're drawing, the beak will look different. Birds use their beaks for eating, building nests, and even defending themselves. Some birds have very long beaks, like the hummingbird, while others, like eagles, have sharp, hooked beaks for catching prey. Let's move on to the feet. Draw two V shapes coming from the bottom of the bird's body. Then, add 3 small claws on each foot. Birds' feet can look different depending on the kind of bird, like webbed feet for swimming birds or sharp talons for birds of prey. Birds' feet help them perch, walk, and catch food. Time for the tail. Draw small, slightly curved shapes at the back of the body to create the bird's tail feathers. Most birds have tails that help them balance while flying or walking. Some birds, like peacocks, have large, colorful tails to attract mates. Lastly, let's add the eyes. Draw small circles or ovals on the head, towards the top. Birds' eyes are very sharp and help them see things from far away, which is really helpful when they need to spot food or avoid predators. Did you know that some birds, like hawks, can see much better than humans can? Now, time to choose colors. Great job, everyone! Now, you can start coloring your bird. Birds come in all colors and patterns, from bright reds and blues to soft browns and whites. Pick your favorite colors to make your bird unique. Feel free to ask questions as you go along. Remember, every bird is special and different, just like your drawings. the next drawing, little buddies. Until then, like and subscribe. You can also comment for what should we draw next. Bye-bye.